My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2020 Volkswagen Transporter camper. This vehicle has done just under 18,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can see that it comes with a fridge, sink and cooker. We also have this foldable table and these seats which transform into a double bed, as you'll be able to see from the pictures. As we go into the front, we can get a good view of the pop top, which makes this camper 4-berth. And as we look onto the touchscreen, we can get quick access to voice control, Apple CarPlay. If we put it into reverse, we can see that it comes with a reversing camera and parking sensors. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.